Hello everyone. Myself, Krishna Rathi from SGSITS College, Branch Information Technology Engineering. Starting with the topic user-defined data types. There are some prerequisites that you must know. You should know about what are data types, variables, characters, identifiers, keywords. These are small topics, and some topics like array strings. It will be better for you to understand this topic if you know the topics. So, without any delay, let's start this. First of all, I think I have to tell you about the data types. So, this data types, first of all, are the types defined for the variables. For suppose integer, variable, a character, long integer, double, and many more. But these are user-defined data types defined by the user which is not already present as keywords. As you have already studied, there are 32 keywords. So, without any delay, let's start. Structures and unions. As basically, these are the two types of user-defined data types. So, we will see one by one, and our group members will also explain you in a better way. So, let us start. What is basically it is a type of data type in which we can use different types of different data types in a single data type. So don't be confused. We will tackle all the difficulties and clear your doubts at the end of this video. So as I have told, the struct keyword is used to define the structure in C language. How can we define it? We will see it uh, after some time. First of all, I have to conclude this. The items in a structures are called SITS members and they can be of valid data types. Yes, it is of course that we are defining a single data type for many data types and it stores or we can also say that it stores heterogeneous data types in a single data type. Now, so this is the syntax of structure. First, we use the keyword struct to define that we are defining the structure data type, and structure name is the name of the data type. We can give any name such as struct name, struct domain, something, and any other things like class, uh, employee, salary, employee ID, employee information. Like this, we can name structure. Now, this is data type member and name one, data type member name two. What is this? It is simply this integer, sorry for the this is integer n1. This is casually defining the data types as we already know that how to define the variable with the data types. We have defined n1 variable with data type integer. So we can do also do character and any other n1 integer n1. We can correct it. Also, these semicolons are very important. If we do not put these semicolons, the compiler will throw an error. So this is the syntax of the uh, structure. Now let us move forward. Initialization of structures. Initialization. Now what is initialization? It means that starting something. Initializing a structure means assigning some contrast to the members of the structure. Means मतलब कैसे first of all we as we have defined the structures, now how we can call it, how we can use it, this is called the initialization. When the user does not specify the initializing values, by default the integer and the float values are assigned as zeros, and for character strings it is initialized as zeros. Initializers are enclosed in braces and are separated by commas. However, care must be taken to see that initializers must match with their corresponding types in structure definition. Now, what is the syntax of initialization structure? Suppose we want to give the information of this. This is the car model and this is the price of the car. So this is structure keyword, and this is the name of the name of the structure, and this is car one, which is the name of the structure data type, which is also the name of structure data type specified. Now, first of all, what is the syntax of this? What I am initializing? This is the simple basic initializing structure statement. In various books, there are various terms also, various types of methods which can be used to specify structures. This is also one of the method that we can specify structure. And dot, we can also use dot representation to specify or to record the input from the user. But this is also the way by which we can give the entries to the compiler. Now let's move further, assessing the members of structure. Each member of a structure, how we can access the members of a structure. That let's suppose we have made the employee structure and we have to specify employee ID. We have made that we can also use this struct id. Now, each member of a structure can be just like a normal variable, but its name will be a bit longer. Yes, name थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो जाता है. Structure member is a variable generally accessed using dot operator. Structure can be represented in two ways. It
So
can be
thank you
represented
everyone.
before int main, that main function, or inside the main function. Uh,
Hello everyone, my name is Shaurijin. I am currently pursuing my BTech degree from Sri GSITS College Indore in Information Technology branch first year. Today I will be explaining the topic union in C programming. Firstly, you must be aware of user-defined data types, which are the data types defined by user based on existing data types in C programming. They are collection of data with fixed meanings and are a key tool in object-oriented programming. So, union is also a user-defined data type that allows multiple data types to be stored in the same memory location. You must be curious to know that union is very much sounding like structure, but it is not. In structure, each data object in a structure has its own memory location. On the other hand, union, all data members share common memory location. Nonetheless, you will come to know about differences between structure and union later in this video. So, let us talk about benefits of union. It is an efficient way to use memory because only one member can be accessed at a time. Union allows programmers to access data through different types of variables, which can help prevent accident type errors. Union create more compact data structures by overlaying different data types in same memory location, and many more advantages. Here we are seeing the syntax of union. It is very much similar to structure, but here the struct keyword is replaced by union keyword. So here you can see that the syntax is started with union and its name. You can give union name according to you, then followed by curly bracket. Then uh, as your wish, you can give any data type. It can be integer, character, and its variable name. Um, then ends with a curly bracket and then semicolon. Here we are taking an example to better understand union. Here we can see that union is started with union keyword, then its name emp, that is employee, then followed by curly bracket. Here we have taken char keyword for character to store address up to 50 variables. Then int keyword for integer to store department number. Then also int keyword for integer to store age. Then it is end by curly bracket, then semicolon. Here you will be wondering what will be the memory storage in union. As we know that unions share memory location, so the data type which has maximum storage will be the memory for all the memory.
So the difference between structure and union. Structure emp. So in this character X stores one byte and character X here also one byte, float Y size 4 byte. So it is the structure variable that whole diagram. or here also it is the union variable. So the size of this structure variable is 5 byte, and here union variable size is 4 byte, and here and representing memory sharing. So here is the main difference between structure and union. So the keyword struct is used to define a structure, means the keyword is struct and its meaning is structure. The keyword union is used to define a structure. Okay. The main difference is that the union memory location is given to every member of a structure. Means the in structure, if a unique memory location is given to every member of a structure, in union one single memory location is shared by all its members. Modifying the value of one item in structure, if we modify the value of one item, then the rest item does not affect at all. But in union, if we change a single data of one memory, then the whole unit affecting. Okay. We initialize several members at once, means in structure we can start or we can say initialize at once, मतलब एक बार यूज कर सकते हैं. In union we can initialize only the first member, means only we can use or initialize only the first member which is present in union. In structure, the total size of the structure is the sum of the size of every data members. Mean in structures, if we can want total size of the structure, then we can to do sum of the size, we can have to add every data members. But in union, the total size of the union is the size of the largest union. When means largest data member is total size of the union, and but in here the sum of every data member is total size. It is mainly used for sharing various data types. So the use of this structure is storing various data types. But union is mainly used for storing one of the many data types that are available. So that is the main difference. Okay. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, I am Mahendra Singh. Now we see example of structure. Let us take an example of structure of employee. First, you need to struct employee. Enter his or her ID. Enter his name by using character keyword. Enter his salary by float keyword. Enter his address by character keyword. Enter his departure number and age by using integer keyword. Now let's see in detail. In code, hash include stdio.h. This header file is included to allow to use of standard output and input function such as printf for printing text to the console. Hash include string.h. This header file is included to allow the use of string manipulation function such as strcpy used to copy a string into another string. Now, struct person. This line defines as structures called person. A structure is a custom data type in C that can store multiple related data elements potentially of different types. Character name. A character array string to store the person's name. It can be hold up to 50 characters. Enter citizenship number. An integer variable to store the person's citizenship number. Float salary. Floating point variables to store the person's salary. Person 1. After defining the structure, we declare a variable type struct person name person1. The variable will hold the actual data for a specific person. Int main. This is the main function where the program execution begins. It is pre-processor direct. strcpy. Let's take an example. Person name is George Orwell. This line uses the strcpy function from the string.h library to copy the string George Orwell into the name field of the person1 structure. strcpy is used here because in C, strings are arrays of character and we can't directly assign a string to an array. Person 1 name refers to the name field of the person 1 structure. George Arwal, the string that will be copied into person 1's name. Or next, person 1 citizenship number. In let it is 1984. The line assignment integer value 1984 to the citizenship number. The field of the person 1 structure. Person 1 salary 2500. This line assigns the floating point value 2500 to the salary field of the person 1 structure. Print name percentage slash n person 1 name. This line prints the name of the person stored in person 1 name. Percentage is the format specifier for printing string. Printf citizenship number percent d slash n person 1 citizenship number. This line prints the citizenship number stored in person 1 citizenship numbers d in percentage d in the format of specifier for printing integer. Printf salary bracket comma salary percentage 2f person 1 salary. This line prints the salary stored in person 1 salary percent 2f is the format specifier for printing floating point numbers with two decimal place. And last, return 0. Return 0. This indicates that the main function has executed successfully and the program will terminate with return value of 0 in C. A return value of C usually indicates that the program run without any errors. Okay. Now some benefits of now last we see two benefits of structure. It gives us from creating many variables. No need to return all variables. Second point, good data management and for organization. Thank you.